Welcome, guys. Welcome to tonight's class. It's Dave Santarelli from the Santarelli Trading Exchange. It is President's Day, February 18th, 2019, on a Monday. I spent my day today making this PowerPoint presentation for you guys. I know there's a lot of new members that wanted and are eager to learn our trading plan. Now, I hope you guys know this is copyrighted material, copyrighted by the Santarelli Trading Exchange, LLC. Patent pending, and for licensing of our trade plan and technologies, please contact me at dave@thesantarelliexchange.com. All rights are reserved. Disclaimer, we are not stockbrokers or licensed financial advisors. We are traders with a successful trading plan that we teach at the Santarelli Trading Exchange. Trading involves risk, not suitable for all. Speak to your financial advisor or planner before trading. All right, guys, so our trading plan is going to teach you how we take advantage of these exact moves in these channels you're seeing here. Okay, so you could see the green channel, red channel, and yellow channel. These are the different cycles we have. We have 3 cycles, guys. We have 3 cycles, and we have 3 phases. But just for right now, know that the red line here you're seeing, this is the 50-day SMA. This yellow line is the 10-day SMA, and the blue line is the 20-day SMA, which are your simple moving averages. So now, if you guys would like to know how to take advantage of a stock when it's breaking out like this back here from all the way from April until August, or when it's time to exit that long call and either short the market or buy puts. And this trading plan is going to do just that. Here are the cycles with the entry and exit signals following our TSE trade plan. This is the Diamond ETF, DIA. And as you can see here, we have colored in the channels here following our trade plan. And as you can see here, December, for the month of December, we made over 1,400% in profits. I just want you to know this for this picture when we come back to it later on in the slide here. 1,400% for the month of December while we were in breakdown momentum. And watch. And guys, down here you can see breakout momentum, buying shares of stock, or buying call options as swing trades or day trading. Breakdown momentum, shorting shares of stock, or buying put options as swing trades or day trades. No trade zone, best time to day trade as we do not yet have confirmed breakout or breakdown. It's trading between the SMAs. All right, so guys, first things first here. We have 3 cycles in our trading plan. And those 3 cycles are breakout momentum, breakdown momentum, and the no trade zone. So here, this is our first cycle, breakout momentum. As you can see, we have an entry when we have the 10-day SMA crossing above the 20-day SMA. I even color coordinate these here. The 10-day SMA is yellow, the 20-day SMA is blue, and the 50-day SMA is red. So when the 10-day SMA crosses above the 20-day SMA with a green candle the day after, as a confirmed entry signal, along with the body of the candle itself being fully above the 10 and 20-day simple moving average. Or if it's not as strong of a stock or as volatile of a stock, then you could use the 20 and 50 SMA crossover. So when the 20 crosses above the 20, when the 20-day SMA crosses above the 50-day SMA with a green candle the day after as a confirmed entry signal, along with the body of the candle being fully above the 20 and 50-day SMA. So, for example here is, let's find one here. Right here, you could see the 10-day crossing above the blue 20-day SMA here. That's right here. And then the next candle is green. That's your entry. Okay? And then as you can see, as we go further along here, the stock's pulling back to either the 10, 20, or 50-day SMA, depending on the strength of that breakout, and then it's heading higher again. So as you can see, this shaded green channel here, this is breakout momentum. It's coming down to the SMAs and then breaking out again. Coming down to the SMAs, breaking out. Coming down to the 20-day SMA, breaking out. Coming down to the 50-day SMA here and breaking out. Okay, so this breakout momentum cycle is best for going long shares of stock, buying calls, or doing vertical call spreads. You can even day trade using this. So the 10-20 crossover or the 20-50 crossover with a green candle for a confirmed entry the following day. Now here is the trade plan example with Amazon. So here, this is opening bell at 9:30. So you get the first green candle after 9:45 a.m. Here's where you're entering. Now you're exiting the first red candle below the 20-day SMA. So here's our entry at around $1,600 a share. Our entry signal didn't come until around $16.25, $16.26 a share in a short period of time, in less than an hour. If you're utilizing call options, stock options on this strategy right here, that's a huge, significant return in a short period of time, 1 hour there. So this trade plan really captures nice runs in the market. You just have to be patient and disciplined enough to wait and find those runs. Right here, what's this zone called? I don't have this in any shades here, but you guys should know it actually came down to the 50-day SMA here and climbed again. But once it came down here below that 20-day SMA again, it traded between the SMAs. This is the no trade zone. This is where you want to stay away from it. As you can see, it's in a consolidated range here, consolidated channel, and it's not doing much. It's not having any directions. That's the NTZ, or the no trade zone. And then again, once you have the 20-day right here, you have the 20-day crossing above the 50-day SMA. And again, this is on a 1-day, 1-minute chart. So each of one of these candles represent 1 minute here. So here again, you see the 20-day crossing above the 50-day. Okay, that happened right here. And then you're waiting for that green candle confirmation the next day. You had that. There's your entry. And you're still in that stock all the way until about an hour and a half later, where you went from around $16.26, $16.27 a share, all the way up to almost $16.40 a share in a short period of time. And again, utilizing call options there, that's a significant return in a small period of time. Our second cycle is the breakdown momentum cycle. Okay, now this happens when you have the 10-day cross below the 20-day SMA. So when you have the 10-20 SMA crossover, like you see right here, the 10 cross below the 20 SMA, and we were heading lower. So when you have the 10 cross below the 20 SMA, that's confirmation with a red candle the day after. That's your confirmed signal for puts, or for put spreads, or for shorting shares of stock. So this here is an example of Macy's. You can see this is going all the way back from August until now in February here. So it's been in breakdown momentum since August. And then for a brief period of time in November, it had a little breakout here. And guys, this is the beauty of this trade plan. This trade plan captures that move right here you see in Macy's, and then as soon as you had that 10 crossing above that 20 SMA right here, that's a sign of momentum shifting and a new cycle starting. So once you were in the breakdown momentum and you've seen that crossover here, that's the first sign that momentum's changing, and you might be going from breakdown momentum into a new cycle like breakout momentum as it did here. And then again, once you get that cross below here, the 10 crossing below the 20, that's your entry again into puts and the stock heading lower. So again, the 10 crossing below the 20 SMA, or the 20 crossing below the 50 SMA for a less volatile stock. More of a blue chip stock, you're going to be looking for the 20-50 crossovers. And again, with the red candle confirmation. So breakout momentum, you're waiting for that green candle the following day. Breakdown momentum, you're waiting for that red candle the following day for a confirmed entry. And the breakdown momentum cycle, this cycle is best for shorting shares of stock, buying put options, buying put spreads, and day trading or swing trading short shares or puts. Here's an example of Facebook, guys. Take a look at this. This is going all the way back from July. So the end of July, Facebook started breaking down. And as you can see, it was almost up to $225 a share. Okay, that first day it crossed below that 20-day SMA here. That's a sign that things are heading south here. And as you could see, it was in breakout momentum past here, in the breakout momentum cycle, the green channel here. And then all of a sudden, the next day, it had a big drop, and it continued in this downward channel here, breakdown momentum. And as you could see, guys, it's very simple. figuring this out. And so we were in breakdown momentum from August until January of this year. And then the beauty of this, guys, look at this picture here of the chart on Facebook. Right here, we had the 10-day crossing above the 20-day SMA. You see that the stock was at 143.26 a share. This is where I said the SMAs are coming together, a cluster's forming, and usually a large move follows after this. Take a look what happened. We started buying Facebook calls after this in the trade room, and take a look what happened then next. Here is the chart of Facebook. So it was in the it was in the breakdown momentum phase for quite some time, and then that first time at 143.26 a share, right here, you guys remember, here was the 10-day simple moving average crossing above the 20-day SMA right here, and then that first green candle, which is right here, that's your entry signal. So you got in this stock around 145, 146 a share, and then you wrote it up to all the way 175 a share in a short amount of time. This stock being in breakout momentum, it's coming down to that 20-day SMA as you've seen here in the first time, and then it's breaking out again. It's coming down to that 20-day SMA, and then it's going to probably break out again. We'll have to see. You know, you don't know, you can't predict, but with this trade system, this is what Wall Street uses, guys. Wall Street uses algorithms to trade, and this is what you should be doing too. Again, I'm not licensed, I'm not a broker, I'm just a regular trader, but this system and this trade plan has helped me tremendously. And like anything, it's going to take a little bit to get used to. So I suggest paper trading, learning, asking questions about it. I've been doing this trade plan for about 10 years. I know this trade plan inside and out, and I'm still learning more on it each day. But like I said, if you learn it and get better at it each day, you know, you're going to be well ahead of any other traders that are starting or that have even been trading for many years. So like I said, we were able to pick the bottom on Facebook for the reversal, and it's been climbing, and we've been in that. Now, it's been in the profit-taking phase here while it's going down to the 20-day SMA, but shortly it's going to start breaking out, I feel, as well. And, you know, we have the March 15th expo, so we still have about a month to go. So, okay with that trade. Now, the first green candle higher here, I might add to that position. I'll have to see. All right, guys, the third cycle in our trade plan is the no trade zone. A stock is trading in the no trade zone when the candles are trading between the 10, 20, and 50-day simple moving averages. So as you can see here, here's an example on Caterpillar, CAT. And as you can see, this is a 6-month daily chart. You can see from July until September, we were in the no trade zone. This simply means the candles you're seeing right here, the green and red candles, they're trading between the SMAs and there's no direction yet. And the beauty of this trade plan, guys, look at how accurate it is. While it's in the no trade zone, the stock's not doing much at all. And then once we get into the breakout momentum, we have that 20-day crossing above that 50-day right here. Here's your entry signal. It started breaking out, and then that first candle below the 10 or the 20-day SMA is your exit signal. And I could go over that more, but the entry is what's really important. The exit, guys, as you can see here, when it's breaking out, you're not seeing really any candles below the previous candle's body. So usually what I say is the first candle that's below the previous body, that's a sign that the next few candles might be some profit-taking or consolidation, which are then the phases within the cycles. So you have the profit-taking phase, the consolidation phase, then the breakout momentum or the breakdown momentum. So those are the phases within the cycle. Very simple, guys. I don't want to confuse you. So for right now, just know that when we have that crossover, we're waiting for that confirmation candle for entry on breakout momentum, and then we're waiting for the confirmation candle red below the SMAs for breakdown momentum. So it's really easy to trade, guys, when you have a set trade plan that gives you entry and exit signals. All right, so here is the DIA, the Diamond ETF chart and breakdown momentum cycle from December. This is the trade plan we followed that took our $2,600 account statement to over $50,000 in less than 2 months, and we're going to go over that. But take a look here. As you can see, here's two candles, two red candles for December. Watch this next chart now. So here's the next chart then. And guys, these are charts I've shared with members. These are when there's something going on, I share these charts in our trade room daily to let members know what's going on. So we started collapsing here. The market started tanking and having the next wave or drop lower here. And we really took advantage of that. And let's take a look. So DIA starts to head lower following our trade plan. We're following our trade plan. We're making some trades. Look at this, guys. What a month of December. Take a look at that. That is incredible. As you can see, for the entire month of December, from December 1st to December 31st, over $32,000 in profits, and we only had one single losing trade. You guys could count these. You guys could calculate the returns here as well. On this one here, the Boeing, this is one of our big trades. We bought it at $6.20 a contract on the 30th. We sold it 4 days later for $24.50. So 24.5, divide that by 6.2, that's a 295.16% return. Guys, where else can you make nearly a 300% return in a couple of days on a solid blue chip stock like Boeing? What we did on this day, we heard that Boeing was coming. Boeing had news that they just got a plane deal in China and that they were planning on the next few decades over $1 trillion of income coming in from China alone. So that's what made us enter into that trade. Again, we were following our trade plan as well, and we made nearly a 300% return on that trade in a short couple of days. But as you guys could see here, here's every single trade in this account for the month of December, and that's following our trade plan. As you can see over here to the left, we took $2,537.90 as of November 30th, 2018, and we turned it into $40,316.04 as of December 31st, 2018, a net change of $37,778.14. Again, look at this, guys. Where else can you see these amazing results with our trade plan? For the month of December, a 1,488% return. $2,537 into over $40,316 in 1 month. And that's over a 1,488% return. Again, guys, that's following our trade plan. And then for the month of January, we took that $40,316.04 as of December 31st of 18, and then as of January 31st of 2019, it's worth $54,507.91, a 35.2% return for the month of January. Following our trade plan, guys, a net change of $14,191.87. And guys, the important thing about this trade plan, it's not about the quantity of trades. It's about the quality of trades and following what's going on in the news, the markets, and politics. That's important, guys. This is a momentum strategy. And guys, I get a lot of members that say, hey, Dave, I have a full-time job. I can't dedicate my time to day trading. Can I still sign up for your site, or should I still sign up for your site? Hey, guys, the beautiful thing about our trade plan, we could use our trade plan for monthly trades, swing trades, or for day trades. All you have to do is change the time frame of your charts. Here, for example, if we want a swing trade, we're going to use the 6-month daily chart and then use our trade plan. If we want a day trade, all we have to do is switch our chart to a 1-day today chart on a 1-minute time frame. And then again, we're following our trade plan. Here's Bank of America. Here's Bank of America. On the left is the swing chart. On the right is the day trading chart. So over on the right here, the day trading chart, you see this, what I circled in blue. It's not that professional here, but I did it quick while it was in the middle of the trading day. So you got in on the crossover, the 10 crossing above the 20-day SMA, and then that first green candle was your entry after the crossover. So here was your entry at 29.09 a share, and it quickly jumped up to 29.18, 29.19 a share, and that was in the last few minutes of the trading day, and that resulted in a huge return trading stock options on Friday expiration day. We traded this in the trade room, and we had some good results on this. So guys, again, like I said, you could day trade with our trade plan or swing trade. And the beauty of it, guys, you're going to get our alerts sent to you via email, text, and posted on our website once I see a great setup that I feel is worthy of making a trade. So if you sign up for our service, you'll get an email, text, and it'll be posted on our website and in our trade room. So don't worry about timing. Cycles during a trade day. So again, guys, here is a day trade chart with our trade plan and our cycles. So from 9:30 until 4. As you can see, it started out in breakout momentum, then it shifted into the no trade zone, it was flat, and then here was the beautiful signal right here, the breakout momentum, and this was on the Qs. So you had that blue 20-day SMA crossing above that red 50-day SMA, and then that green candle was your entry. So here was your green entry right here, the green candle, that was your entry, and then it kept bouncing off the 20-day SMA and heading higher here. You didn't get an exit signal until right up here when it went from, I'm not sure what it was at there, but probably around 148.50 or 149. I'd say 149 a share. So you got in around 145 a share. You sold it at 149. And that's in just a 1.5 hour time frame. This right here, this breakout momentum, BOM cycle. And then it shifted into the no trade zone. We got a small breakout momentum cycle back in the NTZ no trade zone. And then here you had a big breakout momentum at the end of the day you took advantage of. And guys, that's the beauty of this trade plan. These are the cycles and phases that you take advantage of. But again, patience and discipline are extremely important. I've been doing this for 10 years, so it comes easier. You know, just like anyone, a professional athlete, they train every day and they get better each day. So as you train and learn the process, learn the trading plan, you're going to become better each day. And I'm here to help. Guys, here's what I feel is our next huge trade. We're already up over 68% on this trade. Johnson & Johnson, J&J ticker symbol. It just came out with a new drug made from the party drug ketamine. It has the derivatives of that in it. And it's going to be getting FDA approval by March 4th. It's the first antidepressant drug in over 20 years that's going to be approved by the FDA, hopefully by March 4th. So we got into this trade on that news, and it's been in breakout momentum since. For the short time, for the next 2 weeks, my target's 140 a share. We're already up 60.30% on this trade, and we just got in this a few days ago. We actually made a second trade on it that's already up 10%, and we just made that second trade on Friday. So we're up 10% already in less than a day on the second trade. The first trade's up over 68%. So I'm looking forward to this. I expect once they announce the FDA approval on this, this should rocket higher. That's going to be huge revenue, especially using that type of drug. They're using the ketamine derivatives, but they are announcing that it's going to be only done in doctor offices. That way people can't get addicted to it. Well, of course, they still could, but you know, it's going to be more controlled than pain medication and such. So Johnson & Johnson, guys, that's the next big trade we're looking at and that we have right now at TSE. I love this chart here. I love how it looks, and I love the news going on with it. So we'll keep our eye on that. And also, guys, this is a stock, you know, if they have that new drug coming out, that's probably going to make billions of dollars in profits over the next few years. This is a stock that, you know, you might want to look 3, 6, 12 months down the road or longer for. For example, this is a type of stock that I wouldn't mind selling some puts for, or, you know, or possibly selling some credit spreads, or or buying shares of, or calls, or vertical call spreads. There's so many different options that you could do, but with a stock like this and the events and news that are out on this, this is a stock that I feel is a great longer-term trade that I would personally invest a little bit more money into for the long term. So again, keep your eyes on Johnson & Johnson. All right, guys, if you want to come join us, sign up now, guys. I'm telling you, this trade plan can change your life. Look at our reviews on our website. We have over 73 5-star reviews. Members love our service, guys. Sign up now. Use promo code YouTube, all capital letters, for $500 off our normal yearly price. Go to the SantarelliExchange.com. Take care, guys, and I will see you in the trade room tomorrow. Be ready, guys. I am really excited, and I cannot wait for this coming week and to possibly make some great trades, guys. So, again, let's take a look at this quick here. NVIDIA, guys, we had that 10-20 crossover, so this is a stock that I'm going to be watching for the next few weeks here. I feel NVIDIA is a great entry for the long term, for the next 3 to 6 months out. I think this is going to be higher in 3 to 6 months out than where it is now. I think it's going to be higher in a month or two compared to where it is now. I think that's a good entry for NVIDIA. Facebook, let's take a look at that quick. Facebook, as I said, I feel that's coming back to the 20-day SMA before then heading higher. Amazon's been in the no trade zone for quite some time here. It's just not doing much, and there's no point in trading something if there's nothing there yet. So Amazon in the no trade zone and staying away from that for the time being. And there is the no trade zone on Amazon. All right, let's take a look at Google. Google's going to be a great trade too here. Google's currently in breakout momentum, and as you can see here, it's coming down to the 20-day SMA before climbing. And as you can see, when it was in breakdown momentum, most of the time it was coming up to that 20-day SMA before heading lower. So now when it changed cycles here into breakout momentum, it's also bouncing off that 20-day SMA here. Let's take a look at the banks. Have been doing great lately as well. Alrighty, guys, so if you guys want to sign up, go to the SantarelliExchange.com, click sign up, click join now, and use promo code YouTube, all capital letters. And once you sign up, you could go to Trade Plan and Market News to look at kind of what I'm looking at, what's going on. The trade feed has all of our trades, our open and closed trades in it. Live Trade Room is where you go during the trading day, and where I archive all my pictures, charts, and everything in there. Most traders usually go in here at the end of the day that have full-time jobs and scroll through it. My name is highlighted in red, so you could easily see my comments and my posts. So most go in there for just 5-10 minutes a day, scroll through, look at my posts for the day, and see what I'm thinking of. And if you need services, guys, if you need a trade coach, if you need to take a trade course, I have one-on-one trade coaching after market hours for $199 per hour. You could just click on this and sign up here. You could click how many hours, what day you want, and once you click the day and the time that you want here, you can like 6 to 7 p.m., 7 to 8 p.m., and then you can purchase that time. And then I'll get an email once you sign up for that, and it'll let me know that you purchased a time, either trade coach or the trade course. So here's the trade course. It's a 3-hour course. If you want to go over the trade plan in a little bit more depth. So this is $599. And this is a 3-hour course. Again, you can pick the day. I only do one of these per day, so I prefer to do it, after 5, 6 p.m. So again, if you want to do this, just go pick the day you were interested in, and then click the time frame, 4 to 7 p.m. and then I'll get an email as soon as you sign up for that. And then there's one more option here, if you'd like. This is for Trade Coach during trading hours. I have a lot of people that say, Dave, could I trade with you during the trading day? You could show me live, real-time entry and exit signals. And yes, I can do that. But if I do that, that's taking away time from me trading. So obviously I have to be compensated for that during the trading day. So that's why that's a little bit higher than the off hours Trade Coach. So $700 per hour. And I'm sure you're going to learn much more than that. If you're not satisfied with that, I'd be happy to give money back, a refund. So if you're interested, you could sign up here, pick the day, pick the time, and I will get the email and be alerted about that. Alrighty, guys, if you have any questions, you could go to contact us on our site. You could go to our business page, actually, the Santarelli Trading Exchange here. And you guys could see we actually just got another review here. Let's take a look at that. Wow, these reviews are great. Look at this. Dave's the best. If you don't have the service, you're lost. At first, I was skeptical about joining due to my fear of falling for another scam. However, Dave is the real deal. Transparency is what I love about this service. We all know it's impossible to predict market trends. With the help of technical analysis plus Dave's TSC plan, this has made me a better overall trader. Been watching for a few months and decided to sign up about a month ago. Well worth the money. Dave has the heart of a teacher and is dedicated to helping all members improve the trading. Just signed up a month ago and up nearly 100%. Dave is the man. Do not doubt this guy. I have been following him for almost a year now and have been a member since late October. He has made me more money than I've made him. Melissa Irwin. This is my first week. I went from red to green, $4,000 this week, and it's only Thursday. Thanks, Dave. I'm glad I found your service. Dave and his site, the Santarelli Trading Exchange, is one of the best investments you will ever make in your life. Dave and team are informative, patient, and very knowledgeable when it comes to trading stock options. It's awesome that there are people like Dave out there to take the time teach trading in real world and real time. Thanks, Dave and the Santarelli team. I want to start off with Andrew James here. I want to start this off with the major reason why I am learning to trade and trading options. My son, an allergist, told us he's in the 90th percentile of allergic children and may have been 98th or 99th. It sucks, and I hate seeing him in hives or the scabs on him everywhere he scratches. Case in point, hopefully with enough money, I can get him to any doctor in the world. So trading TSC is about making money. The trade plan works. Apply it as fully as you can to any past stock, and you'll see the patterns we trade on. Check the charts. Patience and discipline allow you to take gains on smart trades. We don't force trades. Dave and many other members call out great indicators, day trades, swing trades, news that may affect the markets. It's worth signing up, and you should visit the live trade room to get alerts. I don't know how to conclude this, so thanks for listening. Best service, definite gains. Chris Velez. TSE will be the best investment anyone will ever make in options trading. It's more than just alerts being given out. Dave, our coach, he strives for more than just giving out accurate and excellent alerts. He teaches us. He is a great teacher, a great listener. He teaches patience. All of this is worth more than is listed. Once you join, you will understand. I recommend this to everyone. Just today, mostly everyone in the TSE trading room came out with huge profits. That alone speaks for itself. Thank you, Coach. See you tomorrow. Andrew McDonald. And guys, these are all just recent in the past month or two. Whoa, my first trade, and I already doubled my first month's investment in this service. Dave is a great guy who provides a play-by-play on each trade. I am really excited about my future trading. I've been trading for 8 years now, but never really successful at it. I think things are going to change now that I have Dave as a coach. Thank you, Dave Santarelli. Glenn Volkelert. If you really want to make profit, you have to subscribe into the Santarelli Exchange. Dave teaches you the best trading plan I've ever seen. It's my second week here, and I'm already having huge profits. Gamma Mendez. Awesome tutorial and really answers questions. Needed guidance? Follow Dave. Dr. Phil Nicholson. Dave has the heart of a teacher. I have a lot of trust in him. He has taught me how to win in any market. Mark Reed. This is my first day in the trade room. These guys are killing it. Guys, and there's over 74 people who've given us reviews like this. Real members. Real members. We are honest, we are transparent, and we are here to help, guys. So if you need help again, we're happy to help. Just let us know, and I would be really happy and pleased to help anyone out, guys. So again, if you have any questions, go to our website, thesantarelliexchange.com. Sign up, use promo code YouTube for a huge savings. And if you have any questions, you could comment on this video. You could go on our Facebook business page, Santarelli Trading Exchange, or on our website, thesantarelliexchange.com, and click Contact Us. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's class. I took a lot of time to make this slide here, so hope you enjoyed, and I'm looking forward to a great week. If you guys have any questions, also, and if you sign up for the service, make sure you join us in the live trade room. Tomorrow we will be trading and most likely doing some day trades at some point between 9:45 and 12 noon. So once you join us in the live trade room on the website. Take care, guys. Have a great night. God bless. I hope you had a great President's Day and a great holiday weekend with your family and friends. God bless, guys. Come join us. www.thesantarelliexchange.com. Use promo code YouTube, all capital letters, and we'll see you in the live trade room, and we'll get started trading tomorrow, guys. Alrighty, take care, guys. Have a great night. Bye-bye.